Feeling run down? Fighting a scratchy throat? Or just looking for a chemical-free immunity boost? I'm about to show you a time-tested kitchen cabinet remedy that families have sworn by for generations using simply kitchen ingredients. It fights inflammation, support immunity, and help your body heal naturally. It's delicious, potent, and ridiculously easy to make. Let's dive in. Here's what we'll use. 2 lemons sliced or lime. Benefits of lime and lemon. Vitamin C alkalizing, supports digestion. 1 orange sliced. Benefits of orange, anti-inflammatory, boosts immunity. 1 tablespoon dried thyme. Benefits of thyme, breaks up mucus, antimicrobial. 1 tablespoon dried oregano. Benefits of oregano, fights viruses and bacteria. 1 sprig fresh rosemary or 1 tablespoon dried. Benefits of rosemary, boosts circulation and brain function. 1 teaspoon cloves. Benefits of cloves, supports digestion and immune system. 1 teaspoon peppercorns. Benefits of black peppercorns, enhances absorption, reduces inflammation. 6 to 10 garlic cloves crushed. Benefits of garlic, natural antibiotic, immune booster. 2 cinnamon stick. Benefits of cinnamon, regulates blood sugar, warming. 4 to 6 star anise. Benefits of star anise, antiviral, contains shikimic acid. 1 tablespoon dried elderberries. Benefits of elderberries, shortens cold flu, supports lungs. 2 to 4 inch knob fresh ginger, sliced or crushed. Benefits of ginger, eases nausea, opens sinuses, reduces inflammation. 2 to 4 inch knob fresh turmeric, sliced crushed. Benefits of turmeric, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, joint support. 1 small onion, roughly chopped. Benefits of onion, natural antihistamine, antibacterial, great for lungs. 1 to 2 cups apple cider vinegar, enough to cover. Apple cider vinegar is used to preserve mixture and supports gut health. Here are the steps. Place all chopped fruits, roots, and herbs into a clean glass jar. Pour in apple cider vinegar to cover the ingredients completely. You can also add honey if you like. Seal the jar, shake gently, store in a cool, dark place for 1-3 weeks. Shake daily. After strain and store in a clean bottle in the fridge. For daily immunity, take 1 tablespoon a day. If you're sick, 1 tablespoon every 3-4 hours, up to 5 times a day. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Remember, God is the ultimate healer, the great physician. Hit that like button, subscribe for more natural wellness tips.